This is how to swap and convert, and at the same time I will transfer my JMPT token to another exchange without fee. You can see this is my JMPT token app. I recently cashed out some JMPT from this app. Let me show you. You can see this is my JumpTask app, and this is JumpTask token that I cash out from JumpTask app. I'll be showing you how to convert and swap this JMPT token to JumpTask, and also transfer from MetaMask to Bybit without any charges. Before now, you cannot do something like this. This is a new update. Before you do transaction on any decentralized wallet, there is always charges. That is, you have to make provision for gas fee. You can see, if you check the network I'm using, if you tap this place, you can see I'm using BNB Smart Chain. And for BNB Smart Chain, you have to make provision for BNB native token as the gas fee. You can see this is 0. You can see there's no money here right now, and I will swap this JMPT token to BNB and transfer out of MetaMask. The point is this: for you to swap from JumpTask to BNB, there won't be any need for you to provide charges. Let's do it. You tap JumpTask, you tap swap, you select BNB here. Because I'm swapping to BNB, select BNB. This BNB, choose it. This is the amount. I will tap maximum, use maximum. This is the maximum. Get quote, tap get quote, get quote. It's fetching to get quotes. That is, quote is the estimated amount you get and the fee that be charged. Look at it, gas fee. It was crossed. You tap swap. You can see it's swapping. Look at it, it's swapping. Submitting your transaction. Your transaction is complete. You can tap view activity. Tap this to go back. You can see the BNB. The BNB is now 64 cents. You can see I've been able to swap without making provision for gas fee. That is the essence of this video. You can now transfer out of MetaMask to any exchange of your choice. You can see this is my Bybit exchange. Don't forget to sign up to Bybit. Ask JOFA is my sign up bonus code. You'll be able to get $50 sign up bonus, and you'll be able to get up to $30,000 in deposit welcome rewards. I've already picked my BNB wallet on Bybit. To transfer this amount, I will tap on it, come down here, select send, paste the wallet address. That is my BNB Bybit wallet address. Tap send. Next, come up here to select maximum, use maximum. You can see this maximum. Tap next. Look at what I'm going to get. I'm going to get the same amount. Supposed. You can see network fee, that is gas fee, 0.01. All you need to do is to confirm. The point of this video is not about this fee. It's the swapping from JumpTask to BNB in the first place without you making provision for gas fee, which is BNB. So this is also a tiny charges. So you just tap confirm. Look at it, sent BNB. If you come back here, the balance is now 0 on MetaMask. The money has gone to Bybit. You'll be expecting the money on Bybit in no time. Look at it, deposit confirmed, and you soon see the money here. If you tap asset, look at it, the money is already on Bybit. Bybit is one of the best places now to get your money to your bank account, and because you can do as low as 4,500 naira worth of any crypto that you'll be able to transfer to your bank in your country. So you watch a video of how I do that step by step. So you now learn how to convert and swap your JMPT token to BNB or MetaMask without need for you to make provision for gas fee. Thank you.